For the next image upload, I ran into an issue where whenever I click the button to upload the QR code, it kept selecting the first button meant for the screenshot image. To fix this, I had to use something called selector to tell TaskMagic to focus on the second button instead of the first. I'll show you now how to set this up. First, open a new post on your website on regular Chrome, the same post type you're working on with TaskMagic automation. Then click on the three dots in your Chrome browser and select More Tools. In the list, find Developer Tools. This will open a panel on the side with code. But don't worry if you're not familiar with coding. I'm not either. You just need to click on the element you want to focus on in the code. Right-click on the element you want, then select Inspect from the menu. On the side, you'll see the code where the element is highlighted. Right-click on the highlighted part and from the menu, choose Copy. In the list of options, select Copy Selector. Now go back to TaskMagic Automation. After you've recorded the click that you want to change, click on the three dots of the click step. Find Update Selectors and delete all the selectors that are already there. Paste the selector code you copied from the inspections. This should now work and it will select the correct button for uploading the image. Now repeat the process to record all the other clicks and typing just like we did for uploading the other image.